Everyone. So today we'll learn about refrigeration and air conditioning. Refrigeration is defined as a method of reducing the temperature of a system below that of the surrounding and maintain it at the lower temperature by continuously abstracting the heat from it. So refrigerating system here we continuously extract the heat of a closed surface or a specified surface and we maintain the temperature of that space less than the atmospheric temperature. The examples are domestic refrigerators or any refrigerating system. Refrigerating refrigerant is a medium which is used to continuously extract the heat from the space. We have example ammonia and CFCs. Okay. Then principle of refrigeration. In refrigeration, the heat is to be removed continuously from a system at a lower temperature and transfer it to the surroundings at a higher temperature. Normally, heat flows from higher temperature zone to lower temperature zone, but in refrigerating system, we do it in a reverse direction with the help of external work. So that is according to second law of thermodynamics and it is class A statement. We can classify the refrigerating system. So first one is vapor compression refrigerator. Second one is vapor absorption refrigeration system. So vapor compression uses the mechanical energy. Vapor absorption refrigeration system uses thermal energy. There are the applications. There is to conserve the food process industries, air conditioning plants, drying plants, freshwater installation, refrigerated containers, heat pumps, ice production, freeze drying, and transport refrigeration. There are the concepts we use. So the first one, as we know, the heat flow from a system at a higher temperature to lower temperature. Second one, fluid by absorbing the heat change from liquid phase to vapor phase, and subsequently when the heat releases it will condense. Then a boiling and freezing temperature or saturation temperature of the fluid depends on its pressure. Then fourth one, heat can flow from a system at low temperature to a higher temperature by the aid of external work. So these are the principles we use or concepts we use in refrigerating system.